Namaste, I am Sachin Goel and I welcome you to our YouTube channel ekunji. Cough bothers as soon as the season starts to change. Sometimes its severity becomes obstacle in study, business and daily routine work. Long time persistence of cough is very harmful for health. Therefore, let's know today easy home remedies to get rid of cough quickly. Take 500 ml water and add 2 teaspoon fennel seeds and 2 teaspoon carom seeds to it and boil it properly. Now sieve it and let it cool. Then add 2 teaspoon honey to it and mix it well. Taking its 3 teaspoon daily 4 times a day cures cough very quickly. Add 15 mint leaves, 6 black peppers and salt as per taste to 1 glass of water and boil it. Sieve it when the water remains half. Drink it hot daily 3 times a day. It cures cough rapidly. Take 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon clarified butter, 1 pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon honey to it and mix it well. Take it daily in morning on an empty stomach and at night before going to sleep. It cures cough quickly within few days. You can print all these home remedies from our website ekunji.com. Subscribe our channel ekunji for free to know more natural home remedies.